Hi there, welcome to another episode of Shell Sensations. Today I wanted to introduce you to a vitamin to help you with your eyes. I teamed with Visivite to get this free sample they sent me in exchange for this video of my honest review. These are chewable tablets. They taste kind of like candy, like a kid's vitamin. They're orange flavored, and you take 2 of them with your meal every day. They are sugar free. And here is some information on them. Let's see. Doctor for healthy high function recommended. They're great tasting. They're 60 tablets, and if you take 2 a day, that will give you a 30-day supply. And if you look at the back, you'll see the ingredients. And I know the really good ingredients for your eyes, the lutein from the marigold flower extract is very good. And there is a very close up if you want to see that. And then here is the information on the back of it. And they contain no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives, which is also a good thing about this. I love the taste of them. Like I said, they're very good. Let me show you the size and what they look like. Here's a couple of them. So this would be the amount you take per day, the 2. And they're just a chewable form. These came packed in a bubble wrapped envelope. It was sealed. It had like a cotton swab in the middle of it. So it came to me very quick. And I just wanted to give you something you could use for your eyes. I have decided to try this because a little background about me, I had LASIK surgery back in 2004. And I had 20/20 vision after I got the LASIK. And right now I'm working on my computer for my full-time job. And I also do all of my side jobs on my phone or my computer. So I'm always looking at the screen, and my eyes have been kind of strained, and I can feel like a hardness in them. I feel like I need water, like they're dried out. So I wanted to try something to see if it would help. And I seen this, and I reached out to them to see if I could try this. And they offered to give me this in exchange for the video. So far, it seems to be working pretty good. I've taken them about 3 days now, the 2 per day. And I took the ones today, I took in the afternoon, and it's evening time right now. My eyes are not feeling as strained, but I haven't used my computer and my phone for a little bit because I've been having the straining. So I'm not sure if it's just me not looking at that or if this is from the vitamins, but I am going to continue to take this whole bottle, and then I will give you an update after I finish the bottle. But so far it seems to be working great. I feel nothing but positive. There are no negative effects, great tasting. So I recommend you try this, and I will put a link below for you to try it out. If you have any questions or want to reach out, you can leave a comment below or send me an email. And I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much.